Myself, Sunil Kumar Kachi, Assistant Professor, Engineering College, Mer. Today, I teach graph model for process representation. Software process models provide means to capture and describe a software process, execute the process, and improve the process through study. Methods for graph representation of process knowledge include single directed graph representation in graph theory. On graph representation is a technique to store graph into the memory of computer. To represent a graph, we just need the set of vertices, and for each vertex the neighbors of the vertices. For example, graph representation example, pie chart. Property graph elements. There are three properties. There are three nodes: employee, company, and city. Employee relationship between can be leave name, employee में name, date of birth, employee ID, company city में relationship are directional. city में nodes represents a objects. Nodes represents a objects. रिलेशनशिप मॉडल. रिलेशनशिप मॉडल्स में एम्प्लॉय, डिपार्टमेंट मेंबर्स और डिपार्टमेंट इस एसोसिएटिव एंटिटीज जॉइंट टेबल्स और देयर आर 3 पॉइंट्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पॉइंट्स यू. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल RDGM ग्राफ ऑप्शंस, rational database, non-graph and all datas. Rational database applications, queries, non-graph queries, non-graph queries application graphs. We use cookies, and this website uses this cookies. We can apply these points. Data model reference. You can properly image for the structural difference the data models for relation, data models for rational versus graph are very different. A straightforward graph structure results in much simpler and more expressive data models than those produced using traditional relation or other NoSQL databases. If you are used to modeling the rational databases, remember that the else and beauty of well-designed normalized identity relationship diagrams. A simple, easy to understand model you can quickly whiteboard with your colleagues and domain experts. A graph is exactly that, a clear model of the domain focused on the use cases you want to efficiently support. Translating relation knowledge to graph. Database management systems relationships are of equal importance in the graph data model to the data itself. This means you are not required to infer connection between identities, identities using special properties such as a foreign keys or out of band processing like map reduced by assembling nodes and relationship into connected structured graph database enable used to build simple and sophisticated models that map closely to our problem domain. Thanks.